Hello everyone! For today's video, I will share with you the 5 ways to get a great job. I've discovered that if you give your best, you will have the opportunity to eventually do work that you enjoy and get promoted into a really cool job. Now here are 5 ways to land a great job or career. First, get out into the workplace and hunt your job down. Knock on doors, set up interviews, and learn to sell your desire and ability. Second, be sure you have properly trained and prepared yourself for the job you really want. If it means college, find a way to get into college. Read, learn, intern, volunteer, and do whatever it takes to become the best in your field. Third, start out in any company or organizing, being willing to do the small things that other big shots aren't willing to do. Now, it will separate and distinguish you from the pack. Fourth, set your sights high. Don't allow your own self-doubt or other people's lack of support to stop you from going after your goals. Mark 11:24. 5. Pray and trust God to open up the doors supernaturally. He can and He will. Jeremiah 33:3. That's all, and thank you for watching. God bless everyone.